Well, hello. I know I haven't recorded anything in a while, but I had an issue. I had an issue with my my brand new bazooka, and I'm making this video because it was a bad problem. I mean, I can't believe I had this problem. This is a brand new bazooka. It's just a very, very bad flaw. I understand why they did what they did on this bazooka. I just think they could have thought of a better way. So let me spin this around and show you. You see how they have these wheels here and they have the little screw that's on there? Well, look at these wheels down here. They have this little clip here. This little clip here, which holds those wheels in. Well, I looked down. I've had this bazooka, I bought it September of 2019. That's when I bought this bazooka. Probably just before I started my channel, the Drywall, or I'm sorry, September of 2016. Probably right about the time I started my YouTube channel. And what happened was about 2 weeks ago, I looked down and I noticed that 3 of those rollers, 3 of these little plastic rollers were missing. They weren't there. And I'm like, oh, what the heck? So I've been testing some tools for Drywall Master. You're going to see those in the video too. If you haven't seen them already before I posted this one, I don't know what order I'm going to put them in. I've had problems with my channel, and right now I don't have access to it. But I hope to have access to it soon. And so I looked down and I noticed that 3 of those rollers were missing. So I went online, I contacted Tape Tech. I saw that, hey, yeah, we have a 5-year warranty on manufacturer defects and everything else. And I'm like, all right, I can't imagine this not being a manufacturer defect. It's a brand new bazooka. I've really barely used it, and I'm missing all the wheels. So I contacted them. I actually went to the Ames store and was talking to them there, talking to a woman there. By the way, there's a woman at the Warrenville, Illinois, Ames store. Today is what? June 5th or 6th? Today's June 6th, 2018. And so who's ever working there, June 6th, 2018, she was incredible. She helped me out so much. And so, hey, love you. You did great there. But as we're talking to Tape Tech and we're trying to figure out what was wrong with this, they're like, I don't know what the problem is. I don't have that problem with those wheels falling off and stuff. And I'm like, really? I mean, I bought this bazooka. It's missing 3 of the wheels. And you're telling me that's just not a problem. Well, I found out what the problem is. So let me come here back around. You see that little spring right there? Just that little spring. Well, when you pull this in, these close up. When you pull this out, these close up. Well, these were all closed. You pull this little thing here, and it closes up on the inside, so they push together. So these were all really loose, all of these things. All I did, I put the wheels back in. I put the screwdriver. Let's see if I can get this so I can see it better. I put the screwdriver right there on that, right there, and I tapped it. What it did was it spread that out on the inside to make all of these really, really tight. All of these were super loose. You'd lean it and it was just falling out. So just a little tap with a screwdriver tightened up those springs. I'm not going to have a problem with this again, but man, do it like this, guys. Fix your bazooka. Put the bottom wheels just like these top wheels. You got one little screw and this wheel comes out. I mean, how easy is that? You got to make it easier. This little They just made this way more complicated than it used to. You know, my wife's got this t-shirt. Yeah, let's do it the hard way because it's easier for you. Let's do it the hard, complicated way because that's easier for you. They made this a very hard, complicated thing down here with these wheels, and it shouldn't be. This should be a simple thing, one little screw, holding them in. Come on, guys. Fix it. This bazooka shouldn't be like this. All right? You guys have a good day. If you really like these videos, subscribe, share these videos. I've got new camera shots. I've got new sound system. I hope all of the sound quality's better. The camera shots are better. So come and see me on my new channel. Subscribe, share. We hope to see you there. You have a good day.